Alright guys, you get to watch me struggle trying to figure out how to pull this damn transmission apart. Haven't ever done this kind of front wheel drive trans, and so this takes a while. Maybe you guys will laugh a little bit, but I don't have a manual for it, which if you read, I think you can tell I posted that anyway. But it'd be much easier with a manual, but they don't make them for this, and well, the ones they do, they ain't selling to the public for cheap. So anyway, all that prying you're doing, buddy, is not going to get you anywhere. And pull this, tug on that, pull this plug out. It looks like I can just flip it up, flip it around. Oh, it's all nice, light and easy. It's not that light. That part sucks because that gear assembly fell out of my hand, and I got to figure out how it goes back together. So this is my first time using a time lapse on the GoPro, so I got another GoPro on my head so I could double record this coming apart in case, you know, I need to go together. This was going to be my instruction manual. So, yep, keep prying there, buddy. Don't pry real hard because you're going to break something, but you ain't getting nowhere with it. But here in a second, I'll figure it out. Right there on that top where my fingers are at. There, that top plate that holds them shafts down is, yeah, right there. Now I figured it out. It's basically holding that one shaft, the finger of that plate. So as soon as I get this top plate off, then this whole side of the gear case will come off. And there we go. Now we got the internals. Mess with the reverse gear for a minute there. And messing with the gear select. But pretty much from here on out, it's just me cleaning off stuff and poking at it and cleaning more of that smelly 80-90 weight off and looking at these top bearings and races. So the next day, which is actually today, I pull out those shafts in the main gear assembly and check the bearings on the bottom side. But that's pretty much all the excitement you'll get out of this part. So anyway, thanks for watching this far. If you have, you must be really bored. We'll talk to you later. Jason out.